how to make money with artificial intelligence. In this video, this is Luca, founder of Digital Coach, and I want to explain you what are the 4 main ways you can make money with artificial intelligence. Then if you want to know more, at the end of the video you have the opportunity to ask us for some information. There are different ways how you can leverage AI for your incomes, and they depend on your actual situation. So let's start for the first situation. You are an entrepreneur. You already have a company. You already are a business owner with an already existing business. What can you do with the AI right now to improve your incomes? AI is an amazing ally for you to improve your productivity and decrease your cost. Let's take, for example, your marketing area. It's not the only one, because you have also an administrative function and you have a sales function. But let's take, for example, marketing. In marketing, we have, for example, we in Digital Coach, now we are coaching entrepreneurs how to introduce AI in their digital marketing. And the amazing thing is that if you were investing, for example, like 5,000 euro a month with an agency taking care of everything, or an overall, you were investing maybe 10,000 a month for an SEO, an internal SEO specialist, then a web designer, then a video maker, and so on. So 3, 4, 5, 6 different persons, and it's easy to go to 10,000, 20,000 of salary in a month. If you are in that condition, with AI, with the right processing, right procedures, you can manage with just one person, okay, an inside person, not even an agency. You can manage both your SEO activity, your advertising online activity, your email marketing activity, your social media activity, your automation activity, a lot of things, just with one person, using the right processes, digital marketing process, and following the right processes in how to use, how to leverage artificial intelligence in digital marketing. So this is just an hypothesis. So at the end, AI can become the way you decrease your cost, at the same time improving your productivity, because the results are amazing. Let's consider a second scenario. This time I want to tell you something. If you are an aspiring entrepreneur, somebody wanting to create his own business, okay? So what are the options right now? The digital world is still interesting, obviously, but now if you combine artificial intelligence with a digital world opportunity, that's the perfect combination. So what you could do? First of all, obviously, if you are very ambitious, you can try even to develop any application, software, or solution based on AI. But this is just for for jigs, for entrepreneurs who have a technical background. Let's suppose you don't have any technical background. In this situation, what happens is that you can leverage AI, offering consulting services to corporations and helping them to introduce AI application in their own business. So this is going to be, for example, a consulting business with AI. And it might be an AI agency, the equivalent of a digital agency, but specialized in providing AI solutions for companies, not just for the marketing area, but even for their sales area, for their ET area, or many other areas and functions in the company. Let's suppose you are a freelancer or an aspiring freelancer, somebody who wants to work alone and live wherever you want online, okay? In this case, how can you use AI to build your income? You can become an AI business consultant. A business consultant who helps companies to improve AI solutions in their products and their services. This is one way, but you can even outsource some activities. I mean, not outsource, become the outsourcer for the company you are offering your services to. And becoming the outsourcer, you will be the provider of the AI technology for that customers who will use you in order to empower his company with AI capabilities. And you can introduce for those customers AI solutions in the marketing area, in the sales area, in the administration area, in the human resources area, many different fields. So it's very interesting. Now, if you want to enter this magic word and change your business and even in your life forever, what you can do is you can ask a free consultation here below. You will find a link. Ask for a free consultation with us, and we will help you trying to understand how can AI change your life, your business, and even your income, obviously, because you want to earn more money.